Hello, welcome back to WINFX Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. It has been a long time I've played the content, about a couple of 9 days now. I've not released the content, and the reason being that I can't just be uploading content on daily basis. I only look at the current failures, losses, and difficulties, challenges faced by traders, and I devise solution to this problem. Today's topic is H1 trade force system for knowing profitable sniper entry signals in financial market, synthetic in brackets. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, try your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new content. And try to refer your network, try to like and comment so that YouTube will push us to a high level of audience. Alright, so I'm going to show you the volatility 75 index. I'll take you to H1. When we talk about trade forces, system, we're actually talking about three turning point. Okay, three turning point. We talk about three turning point. If a market is moving in a given direction in such a way that the market creates three turning point, then you can trade the immediate points, which is the third or the fourth point or the fifth point. You need a three swing point to believe that a market is moving in a given direction. Take for instance, when this market creates this loop, a lot of people will be asking them, like in their mind, they're asking this question: am I going to buy here? Am I going to sell here? Okay, now you notice that this market has been buying, and you see this is a buy entry zone, but it did not take much time that this zone was broken and the retest was made. So this point, this stretch, let me mark it with another zone. This, let me change it to red. So this zone here, okay, this is red, this green. This point here is 0.2, and this, let me now make this as a point. Okay, this point here, a point can be made like just a node. This is a node, this is a node. So a node can be made up of two or more points that are taken to be the same, because they actually show the same thing. So this is a node, this is a node, or like can call it accumulated turning point. So this is point 1, this is point 2. So we are looking for point 3 in order to conclude that this market is moving in a definite direction. We need point 3. Now that point 3 will be when this market retests here. So when it retests here, you should sell and not buy. Why? Because the market have created a trade force system, mapped by 3 turning points, as I have drew the trend line. So those trade force system will define the trend line. I will elaborate on the notion of force. When I say force, it might seem that market is a kind of a physical quantity, and it's true, it's a physical quantity because price is in motion, so it has energy. But I'm not going to talk much about that. So what I'm trying to say, I will just give a kind of a tip, a hint about the force notion of force here. The point 1 here is force 1. 3.2 is force 3, is force 2, and the point that is about to be formed when this price when the price action retests this zone is going to be force 3. Now those forces, if you look at their directions, they are all pointing downward, because at that point where the force is acting, it only make the price fall. So it becomes a three force system whose resultant effect is to push the market in the direction of individual forces. Like it will push the market down. Are you getting it? So all the people that are buying this market must have blown their accounts, whether you're trading margin, whether you're trading synthetic, binary option. I'll be ending this video. I just want to release the content to activate this in the community. Very soon I'll be launching my Patreon, and to join my Patreon will be shipped for the first 20 people. For the first 20 to 100 people, you're gonna be shipped, and the rest will find it difficult to join because of the cost must have risen. That is by the way. I have a lot of things I do in my VIP. We are running a kind of $1 turn to $11,000 plus in 14 days, and $1 turn to 6,000 plus in 5 days on M5 drop, and then specifically drop buying off that will do $1 to 11,000 plus, and M5 drop that we do $1,000 to $6,000 plus in less than 5 days. And that is not the only thing. We run Forex and synthetic margin trading signals to trade margin on MT5. There are other things like boom and crash signal group. These are all VIP groups, and you could actually be a potential millionaire plus trading our signals. All you need to do is to join my free Telegram channel, DM me at Daniel and start enrolling right away. The price is still fixed. Soon we might be having a lot of changes in price, and definitely it will be a rise in price. All you need to do is to take advantage. There is a promo going on right now in 48 hours. Take advantage of that promo. 50% discount in M5 drops, VIP M5 drop signal group, and VIP drop buying off. Okay, change your life, and you will never regret it. You will ever remember the WINFXTRADING have changed your life. Thank you. Bye for now.